Gusto kong tingnan ang 30th anniversary ng Laguna Doctors Hospital na napakarami ng taong tinulungan. Marami na kayong buhay na isinalba. Marami na kayong karamdamang pinagaling. Marami na kayong empleyadong tinulungan ang pamilya para mapag-aral ang kanilang anak. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit ako narito sa araw na ito. Dahil ang bawat pasyente na umuwi matapos gamutin sa ospital na ito ay may kanya-kanyang kwento ng tagumpay.
We remember the tireless efforts of our founding members, the commitment of our medical professionals, and the support of our community that continues to strengthen us. As we look back with gratitude, we also look forward with hope and renewed commitment. The challenges of healthcare continue to evolve, but so does our resolve to meet them with innovation, empathy, and excellence.
Sana po tuloy-tuloy na makasama ko kayo sa aking 3 taong paglilingkod sa lalawigan ng Laguna. Maraming salamat po at muli happy anniversary po sa inyong lahat.
Let's go.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, distinguished guests, colleagues, partners, and friends. On behalf of the entire Laguna Doctors family, it is my great honor and joy to welcome you all to this momentous occasion, our 30th founding anniversary.
Friends, colleagues, let us all welcome and give a warm welcome to our keynote speaker, Dr. Jose P. Santiago Jr.
Sabi nga nila, pag hindi rin marunong tumingin sa pinanggalingan, hindi po makakarating sa paroroonan. I think that's what they're doing now. Looking back at the past, cherish the moment, the present time, and looking forward for the future. Healthcare workers, the entire Laguna Doctors Hospital family. It's an immense honor to stand before you today as a keynote speaker for the 30th anniversary celebration of the Laguna Doctors Hospital. Mabuhay po ang Laguna Doctors Hospital, mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Kaya sa inyo pong lahat, ako po ay taos-puso nagpapasalamat sa Laguna Doctors. Once again, congratulations po and happy 30th anniversary po sa ating lahat. Salamat po.
This celebration is not just about us. It is about every patient we have served, every family we have helped, and every future we aim to build together. Thank you for joining us on this special day. Let us celebrate our legacy, honor our people, and embrace the future with faith and determination. Mabuhay po ang Laguna Doctors Hospital. Happy 30th to us all.